Yay!
No, I still won.
Because
Si Liam.
Bawal bias.
it's okay because it's crying.
Yung totoo. Yung bulong mo.
3.5. Yay!
First, second, third.
Diba si Liam? Si Liam sa akin. Liam
Me
first.
too, Liam. This is 10 out of 10!
Nanalo pa natin.
Liam!
The winner is
The winner
Liam.
Isaac!
Liam Martinez! Alright!
Diba? So, matalo Liam.
Bro, this is too much detail. I added too much effort. You guys...
I
Ito mo si...
10 out of 10! Why you're so...
Mad.
mad? Or angry? I rate you 10 out of 10! You are a perfect score! Kuya Aizen is 5 at Jay is 4.5.
Kasi ka 3.5.
You
Hindi,
are
1.5.
10 out of 10. Okay? Don't be mad. Siyempre.
Diri ka mata.